I got two questions for you. What do you do and how do you do it?
I'm a stockbroker.
Stockbroker? Oh, I had to go to college to be a stockbroker, huh?
You don't have to. Have to be good with numbers and good with people.
Hey. Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
All right.
Because tomorrow's going to be your first day. If you'd like to work here as a broker. Would you like that, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Good. We couldn't be happier. So, welcome.